Have you ever noticed that just one negative thought can drain your entire mood, your energy, and even how your body feels? What if I told you your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas? They are energetic signals that shape your health and longevity. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. Today, we are diving into one of the most underestimated forces of your health journey, your thoughts, and how they impact your energy flow. In traditional Chinese medicine, we know that qi, your vital life force, flows through meridians, much like rivers nourishing the body. Now, we can think of thoughts as like weather above these rivers. Sunny thoughts let energy move with ease, while stormy thoughts create turbulence and blockages. Chronic worry, for example, is said to bind the spleen, leading to fatigue, poor digestion, and foggy thinking. Now, from a modern lens, when you dwell on negative or fearful thoughts, your brain activates the stress response. Cortisol spikes, tension builds, and your energy shifts from growth and repair into survival mode. It's keeping your foot on the gas pedal while your car is in park. You are burning fuel and you're not going anywhere. But we can reframe these thoughts to restore flow. So here's the good news. Just as a single thought can disrupt, a single intentional thought can redirect your energy. Simple reframes like shifting "I'm stuck" to "I'm learning my way forward" signals safety and possibility to both your brain and your body. This opens up the energetic rivers again, restoring vitality. Now, stay with me until the end because I'll share one of my favorite nighttime practices to clear stuck thought energy before sleep. Now, let's move on to some practical tools for thought energy and shifting that. You will never hear the end of this from me, but the first one is pause and breathe. When a negative thought hits, take 3 deep belly breaths. This interrupts the stress loop. Then name it. Say, "I'm noticing, I'm thinking blank." Naming it gives you the power over the thought. Lastly, let's replace it. Choosing a grounding thought that feels just a little bit better, not fake positive, but gentler. Now for the bonus tip, the evening thought release. At the end of the day, write down thoughts that feel heavy. Thank them for visiting and then fold or tear the paper and set it aside. This signals to your body that the day is complete, clearing your energy pathways for rest and repair. So if you found this helpful, click the like, subscribe, and notifications bell, and then comment below. How do you reframe your thoughts? Or what thoughts do you need help reframing? Your thoughts aren't just in your head. They're shaping your energy, your health, and your longevity every single day. Choose them wisely and give yourself compassion when they wander. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and beautifully balanced. Thanks for joining me.